Now that you've registered for TaskStream and you are in the EDUC 310 Fall 2009 Childhood Education DRF, you can actually begin some work on your course. Most of the work that you'll need to do for this DRF cannot be started until we meet in class. However, there is one item that I do want you to complete prior to attending class on Tuesday. That one can be done this way. I've logged into TaskStream. I'm on the home page. It says EDUC 310 Fall 2009 Childhood Education. I'm going to click on that. That brings me into the DRF. I've put a little bit of information in here, but the one piece that I really want you to look at is the professional picture. You can go ahead and scan through the various assignments in class that you will be required to do throughout the semester. However, the one I want you to look at today is the professional picture. So clicking on professional picture, you'll get an overview. It says, please upload a professional looking picture of yourself. This means the picture should be professional looking. It means you should not be standing in a group of people with a baseball cap on your head and a beer in your hand. You should look very professional. It should be something you would be glad and proud to send to a superintendent. Let's assume you're applying for a job. That's the kind of picture I want. It does not mean that it was taken by a professional photographer. So once you're in here, what I want you to do is I want you to be able to enter a professional picture. So you're going to see that down here, you've got a button and it says attachments. That's the one we're going to choose because your picture is hopefully an electronic attachment saved somewhere on your computer. Clicking on attachments, you're able to browse just like you were to put an attachment in an email. And what this one is that I want to attach is right here. It's called DIR photo. I'm going to open it and I'm going to add it to my file. The meter will show that it's uploading. It's there. You can now see that it's attached. I want to view it to make sure that I can see it, because if it comes in a format that's not viewable by you, chances are it's not viewable by me. There's my photo. It came in just fine. I'm going to close that window and I'm going to save and return. Now that I've saved this, what I want to be able to do is send it to me, because you need to send it to me so that I can view it. Right now it's saved in what's the equivalent of a binder for you. You've got the assignment in your binder. I can't see it. In order for me to see it, you need to submit the requirement and you have to select who to send it to. I am the only person that you can send this to, and submit for evaluation. If you have any comments, you can put comments in, but it's really not necessary. Chances are, especially for this, I won't read the comments. However, there may be extenuating circumstances where you'll want to put comments in other assignments. Seeing as I didn't put comments in, I'm going to skip sending comments, and you can print the confirmation that says that you've successfully submitted. However, it's not necessary to kill the trees. I will be able to then see your work. You can see that the window that opens up here is a window that says you've submitted your professional picture. There's a lock next to it. That's because you've given it to me. Until I open it, you can always change your mind and cancel the submission. Let's assume you thought that you uploaded the right picture, but after looking at it and thinking about it, you thought, gee, it's not the right one. You can always click cancel submission, yes, undo submission and unlock work, and then go back in and edit it again. Gosh, that's not the picture I wanted. Let me manage the attachment. Let me delete the attachment that's there. It's gone. Now I'm going to try it again. Click on attachment, browse. This is the photo I want. Add it to the file. You can again see it, so view it to make sure that it's visible. No problem, I can see it. It works. Save and return. And again, don't forget, submit requirement. Select me, submit for evaluation. No comments. Now, this page here that comes up after you submit is also the page where you're going to see any of your grades. This particular item is not going to be graded. I'm just going to use it, first of all, to learn your names, and secondly, I am going to send them off to the superintendents and principals when you're placed in the schools. So please, please, please be sure that this is a professional looking picture, something that you want to be your first impression.